All right, we're ready.
Yo. Fucking with my boy 250. You know
Yep.
what I'm saying? Y'all go follow my boy, you know what I'm saying? 438 shit, you know what I'm saying?
There you
Y'all
go.
already know my name. Jakari the Drip, man.
There you go.
On Instagram, y'all fuck me too, but y'all support my man. You know what nigga out here working.
There you go. What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 250, coming to you with another quick video. And today is finally the day. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the Speedzone and place an order for my wheels. But before then, I'm gonna go and get some new sensors, because when I sold my previous wheels, I sold them with the sensors. And so I'm gonna get some new ones. They're gonna install it, programming, all that today. Got an appointment less than an hour. Got a few things to do. Be heading to post office as usual, get a couple orders out, and then I'll head to get those sensors. I'm not going to reveal the wheels today. If you stay on my Instagram, I'll definitely be throwing some teasers up for that, for the wheels. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it. And definitely shout out to Kari for the intro there. It was pretty dope. We saw I was a YouTuber and wanted to jump in, so I appreciate that. Okay, so the car itself is pretty dirty. It's a lot of pollen. Like, it kind of came out of nowhere. I don't know if you can really, yeah. But I did wipe the window down real quick so I can get some of the homies on here. So, Battle Gang, real cool with Eric. When he started it, I used to go to the Battle Gang meets. If you've been with the channel for a while, you probably saw some of those videos. CVT Villains, homie Franz came up with that name. Definitely want to support that. Street Elegance, the homie Angelo, he's the one who bought my wheels. That's his crew. Division 7, that's basically another automotive enthusiast brand. The homies kind of started, and hopefully we can do some deals here pretty soon. Well, that'll be definitely pretty. The homie Billy has definitely already been showing mad love, so definitely make sure you follow all the homies. And then of course LTMR, Let's Talk More Race. That's the homie Keon's brand, but I kind of put my own twist on the actual sticker itself, and of course I sent them some money for it as well, instead of just buying a sticker straight from them. And of course, sponsored by Speedzone. I'm gonna try to keep the stickers related to people who I'm cool with and or sponsored by. We got Speed Culture Studios over here, of course my 250, and I mean that's not really any affiliation, but it's definitely when you. So yeah, had to have that. The only one that's not sponsored, New Era. Hopefully I can turn that around. But for now, not sponsored, but that's the brand I rock with my hats. And of course, Fitted Squad, this one is coming off, because I will tell you, the wheels will not be that color, so I'm not going to stay with that one. Just haven't decided the theme yet. I might do the blue for the brakes. I don't know, because I might even change the color of the brakes. But we'll see. Without further, but yeah, let's go ahead and head on over. Oh, actually, one other thing. So I got a new kit for Underglow, so that'll be coming soon. This one is a little more advanced, so I'm gonna definitely be doing that here pretty soon. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the kit that I have now, but this one is just a more advanced kit. So the homie Luis, L-Rod Max 20, I seen his kit, and I was already on the fence on getting a new one, because I seen another homie who had one. He sent me the link, and I was kind of thinking about it, because I'm like, my kit's still good, nothing's wrong with it. And then I saw L-Rod Max, I'm like, okay, that's it, I'm pulling the trigger. And it showed up right away, so we'll be doing that here pretty soon. Jeez, this pollen ain't no joke. Just got out here and checked my car, and my screen is filled with pollen. It's crazy. But yeah, just going over, get some information off the car, and about to roll in. Not too many people waiting already, so shouldn't be too long here, and then we'll go to Speedzone. Okay, so they are not too comfortable installing the sensors. Basically, they don't want to use the lift that they have because of the side skirts, and they're scared about the jack points. but they said they would try. But the price that I was quoted was for one sensor and not for all sensors, so I might not do that right now. I maybe just wait, just get it all when I buy the new wheels. It may be a better route. So let me go ahead and finish a few things, and then I'm gonna head on over to Speedzone. All right, so made it. Homie Ryan's here. Of course, the car looking good. And we got Kiwi. Alright, so we made it to Speedzone. Nice little drive, about a half an hour or so. Look who made it. He made it quite a while ago. Bandit's here. Did you recently clean it?
Yeah, I went to the guy yesterday, static detailing.
Cause it's definitely looking real clean.
Yeah, it was dirty for 3 weeks.
Did a good job with the wheels too. Like, they look real good.
And my interior's clean for the first time.
Nice. Let's see.
It's like I took it from the dealership.
Right? Super clean. Looking good.
Except for that coffee thing.
Yeah. Still looking great though. So I was able to place an order for some wheels. The ones that I originally had my eyes on are the ones I went with. But when I was on the way here, I actually had another set in mind, but they were not in stock, and it was going to take 10 to 15 weeks. So yeah, but the ones I ended up going with, 10 to 15 days. So a couple weeks and we should be in business. They're probably going to show up when I'm in New York. So
should we tell them about the surprise for Bradford? That nobody ever.
Yeah, I don't think they're ready for that one. Not yet. We'll get closer. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a dope setup. All right, so this was quite some time at Speedzone. When I found out the wheel that I wanted was out. But it didn't have any that they actually made it to order, and it was a little more expensive than I wanted. I decided I was just gonna do some more research to see what I wanted, but they kind of pointed out the wheel that I originally said I was gonna go with. So I think you guys will like it. It's a pretty good wheel, so definitely stay tuned. I'll probably post it on Instagram before I actually do the video on it, but it won't be too long. It should be 2 to 3 weeks, and as long as I'm in town, I'll be able to pick it up right away and get it installed and everything. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.